Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use foam clay step by step. Start by gathering a clean workspace, foam clay, sculpting tools, water, and a damp sponge. Flatten a small ball of clay, press gently to remove air pockets, and shape with fingers or tools. Keep pieces thin for faster drying. Blend seams using a damp fingertip and smooth strokes until seamless and ready confidently to decorate. Now let's look at materials and preparation for a successful foam clay project. Choose quality non-toxic foam clay and include mixing tools, cutters, and sealers for finishing. Condition the clay by kneading until flexible and keep a damp cloth handy to prevent drying. Use small amounts to test color blends and textures before committing to large pieces and plan assembly order to avoid handling wet seams. Work near a trash bin for quick cleanup. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more foam clay videos. Also, a casual plug, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth is worth a look. Check the description for the link and other deals and consider bookmarking it for later. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Sculpting techniques change results, so start simple and build complexity. Roll, pinch, and flatten to create basic shapes, then join pieces using a thin clay strip as a weld. Smooth joins with a damp fingertip and add texture with toothpicks or stamps. Allow parts to cure slightly before adding heavy details, and use sealers sparingly to preserve foam texture while protecting finished pieces. Practice on scraps to gain confidence and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.